name is Anlele and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am so happy to show you how to do chocolate muffins. And viewers, before we continue, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Welcome. And viewers, these are our ingredients for the day. We have our flour, 680 grams. We have our oil, 325 ml. We have 5 eggs, 20 grams of baking powder, 10 grams of baking soda, 450 grams of sugar, 400 grams of milk, 70 grams of yogurt, 200 grams of chocolate shavings, and a tablespoon of vanilla essence. And that is it. So we'll start by, we'll be doing the whisking method, where we start with our sugar and our corn oil. Whisk it, then we'll put the other ingredients as the mixture advances. Be mixing I've already kept inside. I've kept the baking powder, 20 grams, and the baking soda, 10 grams, and mix it together. That is ready. Now our mix is ready. I will lower the speed, then put an egg at a time. Let it beat for a few minutes. Now, then after that, we start putting our flour little by little. Lower the speed, then start putting flour little by little until it's all finished. You alternate with milk. Then followed by our yogurt. Our mix is ready. Now we stop the machine. Now you incorporate it with your hands manually. Then add our chocolate chip. Now it's ready. Now we put our mixture in the molds. Just enough size. Now we are going to bake our chocolate muffins at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Okay, viewers, straight from the oven, you can see how our chocolate muffins came out. They came out so well. This is a recipe that you need to try it. And when you try it, please tag me along, let me know. Viewers, you can see how our chocolate muffins came out. They came out so well. You can see how it is. It's very, very spongy. You can see how spongy it is, and also at the top it's a little bit crunchy. It's a very, very nice recipe. I am going to peel one so that you can see it from inside. You'll see it from inside how it is. You can see how it is very nice. I will cut it also. You're able to see how it baked so well. This is a very, very nice recipe. You really need to try it, and it's a very nice muffin cake. Please try it and let me know. Also, please subscribe to Anlele YouTube channel, and also remember to click the notification button right next to it so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, bye.